Tired of endless scrolling to find your issues in Jira? Let's unlock the power of Jira's Query Builder to pinpoint exactly what you need. First, locate the search bar at the top of your Jira interface. Click in the search bar to start your query. Notice that suggestions immediately appear. You can use these suggestions to help you build your query. If you want more control, select Advanced Search for Issues. This will take you to a more flexible search interface, giving you the ability to create a more advanced query. Once you're in Advanced Search, the language of JQL, or Jira Query Language, is the key. Start by specifying the scope, such as the project type. Pin project equals followed by the name of your project. After you've entered your criteria, press Enter or click Execute to see the results. Now, you've filtered and found all the issues associated with your project. Now let's narrow it down further. Build on your query by adding more conditions. Let's say you only want to see issues in progress and status equals in progress to your query. Make sure to include quotes around the status name to specify this condition. Click Search. Jira reevaluates the query and displays only issues that match both the project and the in progress status. Now only the tickets in your project with the status in progress appear. I'm mastering the basics of Jira's Search and Query Builder. You can find information, filter to the exact information you need, and find it all very efficiently. Now go build some queries and discover the power of Jira Search. Happy searching!